up guys? Day 14 here in Italy, and today we are going to Vatican and explore the city of Vatican. And yeah, so I'm gonna see you there guys. Alright guys, now we're stopping here at a restaurant to have a breakfast. And yeah, so good thing here the breakfast is until 11 a.m. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you what food I got. Okay guys, so we got the breakfast basically. I got the
Madali na lang daw yung sandwich. Sandwich
so,
pa daw.
Madali
na lang daw yung sandwich.
A few inches later.
Okay guys, now we're just done eating breakfast and now we're here at the bus station. We're buying tickets going to Vatican, and yeah, so we're taking our bus going to Vatican in a few hours, and yeah, so I'm gonna update you guys. Okay guys, now our first stop is at St. Peter's Square here in Vatican, so here's it. And yeah. So I'm gonna give you a 360 montage. Our next stop is still at 3:30, so we have to lunch break before we go. And yeah, so I'm gonna update you guys. Okay guys, now here's my food. So I got their lechon kawali. My brother got their buko sisig, and my dad ordered their pork barbecue, and my mom ordered seafood platter. So let's go eat and missing Filipino food. Okay guys, now we're done eating lunch and here's the restaurant guys. And yeah, so our next stop is the Vatican Museum, and yeah, so I'm gonna see you there guys if I can vlog inside. brother got this passion, so let's try their gelato.
Hi guys, so let's try their gelato. So here's the strawberry. So good. So overall, it's good.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, now we're just walking around Rome and we're trying to look for some souvenirs. And yeah, so here's it guys, here's the street. And yeah, so I'm gonna update you guys. Okay guys, now we already have bought some souvenirs which only cost €1, and we also bought this tote bag for only €17, and yeah. Okay guys, it is currently 6 p.m. right now here in Rome, and sunset will start I think at 9 p.m. and yeah, so here is the square again, and yeah, so we're just gonna take a few pictures and I'm gonna update you guys.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so we're having dinner at a Italian restaurant. And yeah, so having pizza tonight. So yeah, so I'm gonna show it when the food arrives. Okay guys, so here's my pizza, and my brother ordered pasta. My dad ordered the salad, and my mom ordered the chicken. And yeah, so it's time to eat. Okay guys, now we're done eating and we're back in the hotel room, and our day 14 ends here, and tomorrow we will have Sunday mass and have a city tour around Rome. And yeah, so our day 14 ends here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget guys to drop a big thumbs up for this video, subscribe, turn on the bell, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.